Vertical angles. Angles formed when two lines intersect. The angles across from each other are equal. The term, quote, vertical angles, end quote, can be challenging for students because the word vertical means up and down. Parentheses just for reference, horizontal means left to right, end parentheses. The problem is that vertical, in this case, means opposite from or across from. To help explain, draw a large X on a piece of paper. Now go around the X and number the angles 1, 2, 3, and 4 in a circular order. If labeled correctly, angle 1, angle symbol 1, will be across from angle 3, parentheses, angle symbol 3, end parentheses, and angle 2 will be across from angle 4. The angles across from each other are called vertical angles, parentheses, even though not necessarily up and down from each other, end parentheses, and are equal in measure. In other words, angle 1 equals angle 3, and angle 2 equals angle 4. Keep in mind that in geometry, opposite means across from, and adjacent means next to. In this regard, it would have been more appropriate to name, quote, vertical angles, end quote, quote, opposite angles, end quote, or maybe even more clear to have named them, quote, across from each other angles, end quote, as they are across from one another and their measure is equal. Vertical angles are angles formed when two lines intersect, and vertical angles are angles across from each other and they are equal. Antonyms: adjacent angles. Related words: supplementary angles, complementary angles.